The best of Birmingham beckons you to live a life you'll remember at Pebble Mill, the ideal student accommodation for all the right reasons. Nestled in Pershore Road, take your pick from a range of stylish studios, with each featuring a snug bed, study desk, and high-speed Wi-Fi for seamless streaming of your favorite shows. Cook delectable meals in your private kitchen and bid farewell to daily hassles with the on-site laundry. Plus, ace your academic game with a common study room and stay in the best shape at the property gym. And when it's time to hit the books, University of Birmingham is a pleasant walk away. With various restaurants, pubs, and cafes in proximity to this stunning abode, you'll never miss out on any action. On weekends, enjoy various dining options nearby, such as the Selly Park Tavern for hearty meals and Wild Bean Cafe for a steaming hot cup of coffee. Also saving time and money is the new Cool with various commute options located conveniently close to this gorgeous abode. So what's holding you back? Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your ideal stay at Pebble Mill, the very best of what Birmingham has to offer.